Hello, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. So I did a video before this video explaining minor 11th voicings. So you should go watch that video if you don't know this. Right? Before watching this, so I uploaded that, then uploaded this. So make sure you go watch that. So now let's do the same exercise in the key of C. Let's use a minor 11 chord voicings to do our 6-2-5-1. Your 6-2-5-1 is 6-2-5-1, 6-2-5-1, 4. But we're gonna use the minor 11 voicings to sound like just like the professionals. So we're gonna use the same song. For you are great. Let's go. You do miracles. So I'm gonna call the chords for you. Great. There is no one else like you. Right? There is no one else like you. Right. So what are the chord voicings I'm using here? Are the minor 11 chord voicings here? So I'm using we have a E, B on the left. A, E, B. Don't forget to write. This is not a movie. This is a tutorial, so you should write. Don't expect they're gonna wait forever for you to get it right first. A, E, B, C, G, B, and D. A, E, B, C, G, B, and D. Then you take that down chromatically to A flat, E flat, B flat. Then on the right we have a B, G flat, B flat, and D flat. Then 5, we go to G, D, A on the left. On the right we have a B flat, F, A, C. Then from there we go to C13. I love this voicings, which is a C and G on the left. On the right we have a B flat, 9, D, E, and then our 13, which is A. Then to your 4. So for right, you do miracle so great. There is no one else. There is no one else like you. Right? There is no one like you. Don't forget to subscribe for more. God bless you. Bye.